Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit money into your Etrade account. We will cover several convenient ways to fund your investments, ensuring you can choose the method that best suits your needs. From electronic transfers to physical checks, we will walk through each option, discussing processing times and any associated costs. Our goal is to make your funding experience smooth and straightforward, helping you get started with your financial goals quickly and efficiently. One of the most common and convenient ways to deposit funds is through an electronic funds transfer, or EFT. This method allows you to link your external bank account directly to your Etrade account. Once linked, you can easily initiate transfers online. These transfers typically take about 2 to 3 business days to complete, and the best part is there are usually no fees involved for standard EFTs, making it a cost-effective choice for many investors. For quicker access to your funds, consider a wire transfer. These are generally processed much faster, often within 1 business day, though your bank might charge a fee for this service. Alternatively, you can deposit funds using a check. You have the option to mail a physical check or use the convenient mobile check deposit feature through the Etrade app. Mobile check deposits typically clear within 2 to 3 business days, providing another flexible option. Beyond these methods, you can also set up direct deposit from your employer for regular contributions, or even roll over funds from another retirement account. A crucial tip for any deposit is to always double-check your account numbers and routing information before confirming the transfer. This simple step helps prevent delays and ensures your money reaches the correct destination. If you ever have questions, Etrade customer service is always ready to assist you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.